Today, let's have a speaking practice. Using daily use English sentences for kids. The dog happily wagged. The dog happily wagged. I see a fish fly. I see a fish fly. An octopus gracefully move. An octopus gracefully move. He rides his bike. He rides his bike. I love to play the guitar. I love to play the guitar. An elephant sprayed water. An elephant sprayed water. The rabbit hop high. The rabbit hop high. A glass of cold milk. A glass of cold milk. I see a juicy apple. I see a juicy apple. The iguana is green. The iguana is green. The sun is hot. The sun is hot. The pumpkin is orange. The pumpkin is orange. The turtle slowly crawled. The turtle slowly crawled. The queen wears a crown. The queen wears a crown. The lion roared loudly. The lion roared loudly. The ninja moved stealthily. The ninja moved stealthily. Our house is painted. Our house is painted. I have a new umbrella. I have a new umbrella. I like my vase. I like my vase. Children flew a color kite. Children flew a colorful kite. The cake is delicious. The cake is delicious. Slices of juicy watermelon. Slices of juicy watermelon. Jump over the trampoline. Jump over the trampoline. The yo-yo on his finger. The yo-yo on his finger.